DIY babes and happy Thursday. So it is currently just under a week before we filmed the music video for Roast Yourself Again. So like you remember DIY Queen? Like DIY Queen was like pretty good. It's like pretty chill. Like the music video was pretty sick. This year's music video is going to be insane. I have recruited Mr. Kyle Hanagami.
And it's gonna be so good, and she's gonna be dancing full out, and it's gonna be perfect.
Hey, it's gonna be perfect. So I've got major homework to go home and learn my choreo, but it's good. We're at Millennium, which I've like always wanted to come to because I feel like I watch so many dance videos on Instagram. I've got dancers.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited for you guys to see the music video, and I'll insert some footage of us choreographing everything right here. What's up guys? So it is officially music video day. It is Wednesday, July 18th. Okay, so it's July 18th and we are shooting the music video for Roast Yourself Again. And guys, this location is so cool. All the outfits are so cool. The first shot is so cool. I'm so excited for you guys to see. So I'm gonna shoot a bunch of B-roll and photos and, you know, be releasing stuff as we get closer to the release date, which I think tentatively is August 5th on a Sunday. So get excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see the video. This is gonna be the best one yet. Like, look at this freaking apartment that we are shooting in. It's not even real. This pink kitchen, are you kidding me? This is goals. This is actual goals. And this is a money gun, and these monies have my freaking face on it. I can't wait for you guys to see this. This is happening when the dancers are happening, which is also crazy. And like this whole apartment is just so cute and vintagey and so fun. This bathroom looks absolutely wild. This is not normally how it looks, but we're gonna shoot some crazy-ish in here. It's like got all these pink neon light tubes. It's about to get crazy. This is the bedroom. We just finished shooting some craziness in here. Hi everybody. Hello. This is a mirror. Whoa. Wow. Wow. It's like a funhouse mirror, but like you don't look as janky. Honestly, that's super definitely not me. Super definitely not me. That's just like a potato with a little bit of wind in her hair. That's exactly what that is. That jacket is doing all the things though with the wind. Oh my gosh. That's super not me. Def not me. Not me. Not me. Not me. Potato with wind. Potato with wind. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so a lot of the vlogging is gonna be in the kitchen because this is the only window that has natural light right now because everything else is closed up. So they can do all the neon lights and stuff. This is look number 2. And the arms are off because they're like cutting into my arms because of the sequins. Also makeup looking real snatched right now. Arms looking a little messed up because of the sequins. So that's good. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. Also the hair is looking really good. I'm really sweaty. There's not a lot of AC happening here. But oh, also why I went to go vlog, why I turned the vlog camera on is because look at these hoops. Am I a hype bae laurDIY now? We also re-pierced my ears for the shoot, like just so everyone knows. I had my ears gauged for a couple years until I was maybe like 20, and then I took them out, had nothing in, and I like thought they had closed up. Last year I think Alex and I shoved an earring through and then took them immediately, and then now I have my ratchet hype bae hoops. I just like my head feels so heavy, everything feels so weird. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, hi. Okay, so this is look 3. I've got crazy pink braids. I've also got these giant hoop earrings that I am so over. I just want to rip these out of my freaking ears. Pink lips, which I never wear, and I basically look like a giant Barbie right now. This is what's happening, but the kitchen is all pink, so this is where this outfit is going, and it looks so good. Also, it is like 4 p.m. and normally I'm napping at 4 p.m. but we on that grind mode right now for music video day. Yo, I look straight crazy right now. I look like hype bae laurDIY. Last set. So much cool neon lights, money guns in action with the bank double laurDIY. I need to shower Alex in this or something. I don't even know. Something needs to happen with these. Some kind of prank. Almost at the last shot of the day, and we're about to dance. The dancer's about to dance, and I'm about to super attempt to dance. So if you don't see me dancing in the video, it's because I got cut. Because I didn't do Kyle Hanagami for watching this. I'm so sorry that I didn't do you proud, but maybe it'll be good. Maybe it'll make it in the video. We don't know. Also, I have this bra top on, and I'm just so thankful that I have no boobs to fall out of it while I'm dancing. top. So it has been almost a week since the photo shoot, and I may or may not have already seen a rough cut of it, and it looks absolutely unreal. Oh my gosh. My only concern was that I am sweating literally so much, especially in that last scene, because like, okay, this photo shoot was really expensive. Like when I say expensive, 5 figures expensive, like really expensive, but like I love being able to do something to like the fullest potential and just give it my all. Anyways, location was really expensive and only had AC in one of those rooms. So especially in that last like dance scene where I was attempting to dance, haven't watched the footage back of that yet, but I'm assuming it's not great. Anyways, I was sweating so bad. So those are the clips in the music video where I'm like, can we do a little retouching and make me look a little less sweaty and greasy, because that would be great. Anyways, August 5th is the official launch date. It's on a Sunday and I am so excited. Like, oh my gosh, guys, I'm not ready, you're not ready, Moose isn't ready, nobody's ready for this. Like, it gonna be good. It gonna be good. Also, I've been debating on whether or not we should put lyrics on the video, and I always like to watch lyric videos, like not a lyric video, a music video with the lyrics on like the bottom bar of it as it plays. So let me know if you guys like that or not. I personally do, but sometimes I feel like it can take away from like the artsiness of the video. So let me know what you think, and if you want lyrics, because I'm leaning towards yes, but let me know what you want. So anyways, that is it for this week's vlog. This was actually over the span of about 2 weeks from when we did the dance rehearsal and then the actual shooting and seeing the first cut of it. But I wanted this vlog to be dedicated towards the music video because I love being able to go and watch this back after like the final product comes out. And oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited, guys. Yes, there have been some major announcements going down in the Sun DIY, specifically this past Sun DIY. So make sure to go watch that last video if you haven't already to hear some crazy, exciting news. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There's gonna be an extra video this week on Friday of a back to school haul, so get excited for that. And who is texting me? It's my mom. Hi, mom. So I will see you guys on Friday for a back to school haul, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Wow, wait, that wasn't the right outro. See you on Sunday for a Sunday, and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
DIY queen, yeah, you know